Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thomas. I'm coming to you from Addison, Illinois, from mgmclassiccars.com, and today I have the pleasure of showing this gorgeous Pro Touring modern setup on this 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle that has been gone through a nut and bolt restoration. Beautiful House of Colors paints. I believe it's like a Tangelo or a copper. I don't know the exact name of it, but it is incredible when this sun hits it, and that's why I got it set up this way for you guys to see the quality. And also look at the fit and finish on this car. 20-inch wheels all around, upgraded with modern wheels, radial TA tires all around, 20-inch. Beautiful setup on the car. I mean, look at the reflection, not a ripple in the paint. This paint, guys, is a 10 out of a 10. It's that nice. Okay, excellent fitment. On the trunk lip here, you can see the gaps there. Look at the beautiful chrome, the dual exhaust, LSX setup there. Beautiful setup, beautiful. Look at the reflection. You can brag about this car all day long. Check out the passenger side finish. Nice door handles, beautiful trim around the windows. Everything is new and replaced. Beautiful grille, excellent bezels, turn signals, front chrome bumper, rearview mirror. Beautiful setup. And I'm also going to show you guys this car in the shade as well, so you can see it, because it is a little different in the shade. Okay, here we go. It's in the shade now. I just wanted to show you guys the difference. Really nice reflection, as you can see in the black paint. Crystal clear. You can actually shave in it, how beautiful it is. Look at the fit and finish on the hood. Most Chevelles, and I tell you, they stick out. Not this one. I mean, they did a really, they spent some time on the bodywork. So I'll do one more walk around so you can get a glimpse of it in the shade again. Look at the reflection. It's a mirror finish. $20,000 paint job has been applied to this Chevelle. Beautiful stance. Let's check out the beautiful interior. All the chrome is excellent. Doors open nice and easy. And I like the modern touches. Even like the doorknobs, they're just flattened. They're really smooth and they look cool. Door lips are excellent on the car, along with the weather stripping. Like new door panels, door handles, window cranks, excellent rockers. Factory there, body by Fisher door sill plates. Door jambs are beautiful, striker. Door jamb vents, all the felts. Excellent brand new carpet. Pro car bucket seats, adjustable back and front. It slides back and front, and this reclines back and forward as well, and it matches the back seat pattern. There's your back seat. Nice clean package tray. Excellent headliner. As you can see, it's tucked nice and tight. Love the black steering column. Gives it that modern Venom look. Beautiful. Dolphin instruments. Auto sound, retro radio. Factory controls but been replaced. Center console, excellent condition. Let's check out the passenger side as well. Door gaps are great. They open and close excellent. So in that white box is your controller for your EFI, electronic fuel injection system, and your programming. Pro car seats, as I mentioned. Okay. Excellent, super clean weather stripping. Just a great look to it. And let's check out the engine compartment now. Listen to how the door closes. Nice and easy. Excellent. Beautiful 6.0 LS setup. Inner fenders, beautifully painted. Nice firewall, as you can see back there. And the driver's side as well. Very nice clean core support. All the latches, aluminum radiator, as you can see. Nice upgraded hoses, chrome air conditioning, all new pulleys. Love the covers with the Hot Wheels. All new hoses, alternator. Here's your LS1 tuning control module. And it's dialed in, it's tuned and ready to go. Look at the frame, it's beautiful. Power steering, power disc brakes, huge fan, beautiful setup, argent. Check out the argent color hood hinges. If you guys didn't know, argent, that's how they came from the factory back in the 70s. Just a gorgeous, beautiful setup. And we're gonna be going for a little test drive too. We'll check out the trunk right now, and then we'll go for a test drive, okay? Well, first I'll fire it up so you can hear the motor. All right, let's check out the trunk area. Sorry about the diesel engine in the background. There's a truck passing by. Beautiful jams all the way around and all the way down. Professionally done. This quarter, you can see the numbers here that are stamped. Those numbers tell you that this is a factory quarter on that side of the car. And I can't see them here. So I have to just assume that they replaced this side of the quarter. But they did a nice job. I mean, you can't even tell. And under the mat is perfect. You can see some of that in my photos. And there's your spare tire. It's not bolted down or anything, as you can see. There is no jack, okay? So, just a spare tire. So if you got AAA, then you're okay. If not, get yourself a jack on eBay. Look at the reflection, guys. This is a professional restoration that's been completed. Very cool. Well, let me turn the key and fire up the motor. I want you guys to hear the exhaust and then hear the motor. And then after that, we'll go for a test drive. Okay, so as it being a fuel injection, you just put the key in, don't hit the gas, no doing that, just turn it and turn the key, that's it. Okay. Check out the exhaust. that. No horn, as you can see. Okay. Wipers, as you can see, are not functioning. So I'm pointing out everything. The lights do function, they do work, everything turns on. Showing 2,915 miles since restoration. Air conditioning, as you can hear it, blows very, very cold. Okay. Radio works.
You want some visionaries and do it missionary.
Okay. I'll mount the camera. We'll go for a test drive.
Nobody has to know. Just keep it on the low and meet up right at four. Never fights and fussing, plus there's a lot of cussing. Just grab a hold of something. Don't do that bad stuff. See like you ropes and handcuffs. I'm about to throw some.
So we got some squeaky noise that's coming out of the dash. And I'll definitely look into it and take care of it. I got to tighten down a couple of the screws got loose for the dash, so I'll go and tighten that up. That's why you're hearing that little squeaky noise. But again, I tried to... Well, gentlemen, listen, call me or text me if you have any questions. My phone number is area code 847-848-1850. I'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions. But please refer to my description first and my photos. Okay? Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. mgmclassiccars.com. We also finance and deliver. Thank you for watching. It's got a brand new 4L60 motor, transmission in it, automatic. I just put it in. It was a $2,800 install. Had it professionally done by Tatalo Automotive. They do all my transmissions, and they are one of the best.